Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Andy. I've got Kai and Marcus with me today. We're going to be doing some leaf art. Alright, so the first thing we don't need a huge amount for this activity. The first thing we are going to need is a picture of a leaf, a blank picture. You can either draw that or you can get a printout, which is what I've done. Then you'll need some glue. You can either use a glue stick or just some PVA glue, and a texter as well, just for writing your name. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to head out into our garden. We're going to find some leaves, some twigs, and branches, or little branches, anything that we're going to be able to put onto these leaves. Ready to go?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so we've gone and grabbed our leaves, we've got some mint in here, we've got some sticks, and grabbed a whole bunch of stuff. It makes it quite hard today. It is a little bit windy, so all of our stuff is getting blown around, but what we're going to do, we're going to get our glue sticks and we're going to just start gluing our leaves on and making a big leaf and make it nice and pretty. There you have it, our completed leaf drawings. How was that, boys?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. It made it quite hard today with the wind. It made it quite challenging, but of course there's no dramas. If you wanted to do this inside, we just did it outside today because it's a beautiful day. All of our instructions will be available on the website www.gscore.com.au.